Hello everyone! Nandito na kami sa Lawn System and what is that door sign?
Well, you can rent that room if you've got a family and then use it as an access door.
Wow, and this is our room for tonight. I like it. Woohoo! That's the bedroom. There's no more other light. Level 1. We are at level 1. Before, I think last time we have the balcony, isn't it?
No,
Level 1, level 1, level 1, level. Right, let's go and check the toilet and the bathroom. Wow. What is this area? Oh, this is where you put your suitcase sign. Bathroom, toilet. Bathroom, toilet. Toilet, bathroom. Here you are. What is that? Hello guys, nandito na kami sa hotel. Ay, ano ba yan? Alam ko nung ginagawa ko. May dala kaming milk para sa aming cereal. Lagay natin ang milk dyan. Hindi kasya. Bakit ganun? Tapos, meron din tayong may dala din tayong bread. Para hindi na kami bibili ng breakfast. Mahal kaya dito sa city. Tapos, dito may dala din tayong butter. O, diba? Girl Scout. Girl Scout. At may dala rin akong cereal na Milo. Cereal. I bring your, I did bring this one sign, your porridge thing. I'm not sure if, they don't have microwave here. And then I also bring the coffee. Wow. I buy this coffee. And what else I bring? I bring food. And then we bring the jam.
Wow.
O, diba? Right. Tapos may dala din po akong mga bottled water. I bring bottled water. Put it in the fridge. Yan. Bottled water. Meron naman silang complimentary. Ooh. My gosh, I'll show you something, guys. Buti na lang nagdala ko nito. Papakita ko sa inyo kung bakit. Buti na lang. Ayan. Okay na. Okay na. Nalagay ko na. Ayan. Tara, tingnan nyo to, guys. Tingnan nyo to. Buti talaga nagdala ko ng tubig. Kita nyo naman. Kita nyo naman. Akala ko complimentary ng hotel. Ang tubig, Diyos ko, buti nagdala ako. $2.75. I don't know if that's complimentary, but I don't think so. Okay. $2.75. It say there. There's a price. May dala rin akong mangkok para sa aming cereal tomorrow morning. Diba? Taray. Kape, tapos yung cereal. O, diba? Ito, itabi na natin itong ating. Tapos may dala din akong kutsara. May dala din akong kutsara at saka pamahid ng bread. At saka yung cereal nito. But I don't think so. They have some microwave here. Well, that's all for the video today. Ayan na si Mr. Harman relaxing. Ayan po ang aming bed. Ang saya-saya. Ayan. Ayun lang po. Update ko po kayo sa mangyayari. Bye! Guys, show you. Pakita ko sa inyo kung nasan yung fridge nila. Nandito lang naman yan sa cabinet. Malit lang naman yung fridge nila eh. Parang bar fridge lang. Oink! Tumalo na ang tubig. O, ayan, diba? Buti na lang talaga may dala akong tubig. Grabe, ang mahal ng tubig. Ayan, may milk. Ayan. You can put your drinks here, Zain. Ayan. Tapos, ito, nandito yung kanilang ayan, coffee, sugar. Uy, may pa-biscuit. Dalawa, tig-isa kami ni Saint. May pa-biscuit sila. Tapos sa drawer na to, nandito ang cup. At pala, naisip ko na magdala ng mug. Kasi I knew their cup is gonna be too small. So, bali yun lang. At ito yung Teddy Vision. Ayan. At iyan nga po ang kabuuan ng room tour ng hotel namin dito sa Launceston. Yun lang po sa video na to. Maraming po salamat sa pagnood. God bless us all. Bye!